Did you know the triangle isn't actually making one note when you hit it? Here's what most people don't realize about this simple metal instrument. The triangle has been fooling our ears for centuries. When you strike it, you're not hearing a single pitch. Instead, it creates multiple overtones all at once. That's why it has that bright, shimmering sound that cuts through an entire orchestra. This instrument came to European music through Turkish military bands in the 1700s. Composers loved how it added sparkle and contrast to their orchestras. But here's the tricky part. It looks easy to play, but it's actually really hard to master. The secret is in the open corner. That gap lets the whole triangle vibrate freely, creating its signature ring. Professional players know that where you hit it changes everything. Strike it in different spots, and you get completely different tones and volumes. Even though it's just a bent piece of steel, the triangle has been adding magic to music for over 300 years. Sometimes the simplest things hide the most interesting secrets.